Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hello and welcome to the Creative Cooking Show. Corned beef is one of Jamaica's favorite foods. And today we're going to show you how versatile it is by demonstrating a quick and easy meal idea for your family. My guest today is a person who started his career as a chef right here at Grace Kitchens, Chef Walcon Austin. Chef Austin, welcome to Creative Cooking.
Thank you.
Now, you started your career here at Grace Kitchens years ago, and today you're back as our executive chef. Very happy to have you back.
It's my pleasure to be back.
Now, what are you making for us today?
Well, today I'll be doing for you corned beef, Grace corned beef vegetable lasagna. Just to take things up a notch for the corned beef, something different for the folks at home. First of all, I'll be doing the sauce for you, which is a bechamel sauce. Equal proportions of fat to flour for your sauce. Then you add gradually your prepared milk sachet. I'm going to whisk this in. Now, always as a rule, your sauce should be able to coat the back of a spoon. That's the consistency that you always strive to do, to get out of your sauce. We'll put this aside. We have our fresh basil, right? And garlic, and of course, onion. What we'll be doing is to saute them just to extract the flavors out of them, and then we add our vegetables to that. So basil, garlic, and onion. And we add our mixed vegetables. Grace canned mixed vegetables. All of our ingredients are well integrated together so that the flavors are spread throughout. Using the same pan, we will be doing likewise to the corned beef. Basil. Garlic, onion, our corned beef, breaking it down. Okay. Transfer it back to the pan. Now we will be greasing our container for the making of the lasagna. We already cooked the lasagna shells al dente, which means to the bite, because you have to bear in mind that this is a double cooking process, okay? First a layer of lasagna shells. Then we're gonna put a little of the sauce on top of the shell, just a little. Did half and half. And put a little shredded cheese and Parmesan. Then another layer of shells. And it's very important that you ensure that it's compact properly, so that when it comes out, it won't cut and break up too much. Compact it with your hands. A bit more of the sauce. followed by the vegetables in the middle. Shell again. Like repeating the process all over. And then the remainder of the corned beef. It's a very rich one-pot meal right here. And you end it with shell on top. What you're going to do is put a little sauce, and in this, of course, you can incorporate some grease tomato ketchup for added flavor if you so desire. Parmesan cheese on top of your shredded cheese. Can be either mozzarella or cheddar. And of course, you can sprinkle a little paprika for a little color effect. And this lasagna is placed in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for at least half an hour. There you have it.
And chef, lunch is ready. In a jiffy, eh?
It is.
Let's look at the finished dish. I mean, you made cooking look so easy. Today we have our lasagna, which we could have for lunch,
Yes.
or dinner, or if you're entertaining, and as you said earlier, using an old favorite, braised corned beef,
Yes, corned
giving it
beef.
a new twist.
Yeah.
Here is today's food and a kitchen tip from Grace. And that's our show for today. We invite you to send us your questions on anything to do with the kitchen. And if you have a recipe you'd like to share, we'd be happy to hear from you by phone, mail, or email. So long, till next time.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.